the cold air and the cold front, but also the possibility of some rain and some snow. Now, we've always talked about how the weather's always in motion. It's always changing every second. And the models this far out sometimes have a hard time anticipating exactly just how cold it's going to get as we make our way into the next several days, especially with the system pulling in here. Now, if you look at our latest future track computer model, no issues tonight. Now, tomorrow, we're going to continue to watch some mid-level clouds coming in here from the west, so mostly cloudy skies in place for tomorrow. We're going to have another fairly warm day. This model wants to produce a little light, some sprinkles mainly. I don't think much of that is going to materialize, kind of like what we saw on your Sunday. But certainly the clouds will be in place. Temperatures are going to be fairly warm. Wednesday, not a bad day. We're starting off pretty nice. But then the cold air will start to pour in here. And you notice we start to change some of the greens to blues, which is indicative of seeing some snow across the area. This is 8 o'clock Wednesday night. The model's still anticipating not cold enough to see any snow, but where we do see some snow up in the Sacramento Mountains. Everything south of the cold air is going to be in the form of some rain. Maybe out in Culberson County, Jeff Davis County, you could see some rain out there. And then we start to transition to some snow as the bulk of the cold air moves from the north-northeast down to the south and the southwest. So along Guadalupe Pass, we could start to see some snow. And as we make our way into our 7-day snowcast, Thursday, I think it's just going to be cold enough where we're really not going to see much in the form of rain, but in the form of anything that falls will be in the form of some snowfall. So we have a 50% chance of seeing some snow. Here is a look at our latest future track computer model. This has just been updated about 5-6 minutes ago, and it's indicating by 3 o'clock Wednesday afternoon, there's where we could see some snow, some accumulating snow up there in the Sacramento Mountains. By 11 o'clock Wednesday night, we start to see some transition taking place where we could see some light snow. Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, we'll look up in Clowncroft and Ruidoso. You'll get about 5, 6, 7 inches of snow, maybe Alamogordo, about 1.5 inches. Now, this will be changing too. So we'll be tweaking that. We'll continue to let you know. Here we go. By 8 o'clock, the model's indicating that we could see some light snowfall accumulate around town, but this will be likely changing as well. If you joined us at 4 o'clock, we're using the same model, and the model was indicating maybe 5 inches or more of snowfall. So you can see how rapidly things can change. In the meantime, our temperatures hanging out in the 60s. We have 40s up in the Sacramento Mountains, Sierra Blanca at 57 degrees. Want to get right to your forecast tonight. Overnight lows at 39. Tomorrow, we're looking at 65 degrees, sunrise time at 6:59. 33 overnight in Las Cruces, and your high temperature for tomorrow will make it up to 63 degrees. Here's your next several days. Here's what we're looking at. 60 Wednesday, down to 28. Then here we go. Look at Thursday, 32, 50% chance of some light snow occurring.